For the Mermaid lemonade, we will need sugar, blue gel food coloring, measuring cup for water, 9 lemons, a lemon juicer, a pitcher, and anything you would like to make it fancy. I use umbrellas, but you can use like a really cute straw or whatever. First, we will need to make the simple syrup. So you'll bring 1 cup of water to a boil and then add 1 cup of sugar. You stir it constantly until the sugar is completely dissolved into the water. Once it is dissolved, you'll go ahead and add the food coloring as desired to make the syrup blue. I added maybe 6 or 7 drops of the blue gel food coloring. Then you'll stir until the food coloring is completely mixed in the syrup. You'll take it off the burner and let it cool completely. To do this, I just put the pot inside of the refrigerator. That way it would cool down a little bit faster. Next, we'll prepare the lemonade. And to do this, we will bring 2 cups of water to a boil and add 1 cup of sugar. We'll stir it constantly again until the sugar is dissolved into the water. And then we will let this cool completely. I also put this in the fridge to cool down. Next, you'll want to put 5 cups of cold water into the pitcher and then juice all 9 lemons. You'll remove the seeds and pulp if desired, and you'll add the juice to the water in the pitcher. Once the 2 cups of water and the 1 cup of sugar is cooled completely, you'll add that into the water lemon mixture. And then you'll stir to combine it all together. You can put it back in the fridge to cool until ready to serve. I ended up putting the blue simple syrup into a mason jar to cool just so I can use the pot for the other part of the drink. Once everything has cooled down completely, you can finally mix the ombre mermaid lemonade together. You'll take 1 glass, and in this case I used a mason jar. You'll fill it 3/4 full of the yellow lemonade, and then you place the blue simple syrup into a measuring cup or something that makes it very easy to pour, and you slowly pour the blue simple syrup down the side of the glass so it sinks to the very bottom of the lemonade. And here you'll see the pretty colors and the ombre effect. For our next drink, we are going to make the Virgin Margarita Mocktail, and this recipe yields 4 drinks. We will start off by making a simple syrup. This is always 1 part water and 1 part sugar. In our case, we are using 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of sugar. We're going to do the same thing, mix it until it's completely dissolved in the water, and then let it cool in the refrigerator. Next, we'll bring in the lemons, limes, and oranges for freshly squeezed juice. We will be using 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of lime juice, and 3/4 cup of orange juice. This drink is super easy because we are just about done already. Now, once the simple syrup is completely cooled, we'll pour that mixture into the citrus juice mixture and we'll just stir it together. All you need now is the ice, lime, lemon, or orange wedges for garnish, and you have the completed drink. And both of these drinks can be served on the rocks or frozen, and they are both so delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and click subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.